Welcome back, my dear audiences. I'm Valerie, and in this video, I will continue to discuss about the applications of lithium batteries. Well, let's take a look. Well, do you know what is the most popular applications of the battery? It's consumer electronics. They're like everywhere in our lives. Generally, as long as they send out sound, light, and even signals, they need power. In that case, lithium iron phosphate batteries will be the first choice. Furthermore, there is a huge potential target market of batteries, the golf cart. Actually, it's quite well known that batteries can apply in golf carts, but it's lead-acid batteries that are much more common among golf carts than lithium iron phosphate, because they have been put into use for many decades and they are much cheaper than lithium iron phosphate batteries. With the same capacity, lithium-ion batteries often cost about twice as much as lead-acid batteries. However, the lifespan of lead-acid batteries is about 1 to 2 years, while lithium batteries are 5 to 10 years. So, from the point of cost-effectiveness, lithium batteries are expected to replace lead-acid batteries. And here comes the yacht and touring car, which have very similar applications of batteries. To put it simply, they store energy to drive appliance on the vehicles. However, we are going to point out two kinds of battery different situations. To start the device or to keep it running, these two situations have totally different requirements for batteries. Because for starting the device, we need battery with higher input and output. For example, when we are driving smoothly, we don't need to step on the gas. But when we start the engine, go uphill or carry heavy loads, all of these situations require strong enough power. So we need specific battery to perfectly meet the above situations. Well, it's also a huge market to power the communication station, but extremely high quality is required for this type of battery. And apart from that, lithium iron phosphate battery can apply in fields with high security requirements, such as manufacturing industry, household energy storage, low-speed cars. Right here, we normally consider that low-speed car is within 80 km per hour and high-speed car is about 120 km per hour. The batteries mainly used to power high-speed cars are tertiary lithium batteries, which have a higher energy density than lithium phosphate batteries. So far, some companies like Valerie are producing lithium iron phosphate batteries that are strong enough to support high-speed cars. Above all, we think that lithium iron phosphate battery is the future, but still, it has disadvantages here and there, such as its large size, its heavy weight, susceptibility to low temperature. But with the quick development of lithium iron phosphate battery, we believe that such problems will be solved soon.